ice cold good humor. They say I'm out of my mind, standing on the outside, but it's cooler, it's fresher, I like it here.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I did this look that I'm wearing right here. I did use the Bling palette, which is the purple palette from the Jaclyn Vault collection. Yeah, I actually just wanted to do something really colorful today just because I've been using so many oranges, so many browns and warm tones, and I'm just kind of bored of those colors. So I know I'm not gonna feel that same way forever, but today I was not feeling in the mood to wear oranges or warm tones or anything like that. So this is the look that I came up with. Oh my god, like I am obsessed. New obsession, that's all I gotta say. If you guys aren't subscribed to my channel, please make sure to subscribe to my channel down below. Also hit the notification bell so you guys get notified every time I post a video. And yeah, you guys, so I will let you guys get into the video. I hope you guys enjoy this look, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be using the Bling palette from the Jaclyn Vault collection. I'm going to be starting off with some tape, obviously, just because I want to be a sharp line, and because I do not want this to be like a rounded eye. I want it to be more of a cat eye look. So yeah, I'm starting off with the shade Hush Hush, and I'm taking that on a Morphe M504 brush. It's just a big rounded fluffy brush. Now I'm taking a single shadow by Morphe. This is in the shade Rosewood, as you guys saw. I'm taking this brush. This is a scone brush. I got this on an Ipsy bag that I got a while ago. You can use any brush that you'd like, but this one was the cleanest one in my brush collection, so it did the job. Next, I'm taking the shade Rockstar from the same palette. It's just a burgundy-ish, purple-ish shade. I don't know how to describe it. It's just a beautiful shade. I'm still taking the same scone brush, and I'm just making sure that everything is really blended together. As you can see, I kind of left a lot of the clip where I'm just blending back and forth. I'm taking it in smaller circular motions, and I'm also just going back and forth and making sure everything is blended really well. Next, I'm picking up the black from the Dark Magic palette. This is in the shade Temptress. I absolutely love this black shade. Oh my gosh, new obsession. But it shattered. It completely broke on me. I have no idea why. I haven't even dropped the damn thing, but it just completely broke. Anyways, moving on. So love that black, like I said, and I'm just blending this out. This right here is a Profusion brush. Love the brush. All my brushes are dirty at the moment. That's why I'm not using any Morphe brushes, but these pink ones right here, these are, I think I got them from eBay. They were so affordable. Love the flat brushes. They work so good. By the way, I took the shade Gem from the Bling palette, and I just sprayed it with a little bit of Fix Plus just to give it that you know that pigment, just so that it stands out even more. But yeah, so next I'm going to take the shade Sapphire. This is a Morphe single shadow. It is a blue shade. It has sort of a gold shimmer in there, or sort of like a gold reflex in there. It is beautiful. Oh my gosh, I am so in love with this. I haven't even used it, and I think I bought it over 6 months ago. But anyways, next I put on some velour lashes. These are in the style Fluff and Wispy. I absolutely love these. They're so beautiful and voluminous. But moving on to the base, I am taking first the Smashbox Primer water, and I am putting some of this Maybelline Prime Blur primer. I believe that's what it's called. Don't quote me, but I will link it down in the description box for you guys, so make sure to check everything out because it'll be down there. Next, I'm taking this Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation, and I'm putting that on my face. I'm blending this out with the Morphe M439 brush. This is a foundation brush. It is so good. I love the way it blends my foundation, but I don't know, it just felt different putting it with a brush rather than a beauty blender. I don't know, it just seemed different to me. I haven't done this in a while, but I am obsessed again all of a sudden. Moving on to concealer, I'm taking some Tarte Shape Tape. Ooh, I lost my train of thought. But I'm taking some Tarte Shape Tape. This is in the shade Light Medium. I go between shades Light Medium and Light Medium Honey, just because sometimes, I don't know, I feel like my foundation is darker and sometimes it is lighter. I don't know, it's just personal preference. You do you, boo. Put whatever concealer it is that you want. I'm just blending everything out with this damp beauty blender. I did go over this with some Fix Plus just a little bit, just to not let my concealer dry. So that's just what I did, and you still see me blending everything out right here. I did have a little bit of this Laura Mercier translucent powder. I did go out and buy more at Sephora, because Ulta does not have it. But I did just refill on my Laura Mercier powder. I absolutely love it. I cannot be without my translucent powder from Laura Mercier. That is my fave. Next, I am going to be moving on to bronzer. I'm taking this Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I'm taking this Clinique Powder Brush. I love this brush. It is so big and fluffy, and it just gets the job done quicker, and nothing comes between me and this brush. I just love it. Next, I'm moving on to this palette right here. This is a blush palette. It's by the brand Beauty Treats, and I'm taking that shade. I'm putting that on with a Luxie 514 blush brush. Next, moving on to my lower lash line, I'm taking the black, which is Temptress, and I'm putting that all over the lower lash line, mostly on the outer corner, and I'm blending everything out with the shade Rosewood. You guys, these two shades mixed together, it's like so good. Next, moving on to gel liner, I'm taking some Maybelline gel liner in the shade Blackest Black and putting that on my outer corner, which is my lower lash line or my lower waterline. I'm putting that just on the outer corner, just so that it gives it more of a dimension to my outer corners, and it just makes it pop even more. Next, I'm taking some Becca highlighter. This is in the shade Champagne Pop. Putting that on with a Anastasia A23 highlighting brush. This is my favorite brush, you guys, love it. Next, I'm taking this ColourPop lippy stick. I don't know the shade, so I will link it down for you guys in the description box. And I'm also taking some Kylie Cosmetics lip gloss. This is in the shade So Cute, and it is literally the cutest, I do gotta say. So yeah, you guys, I'm just spraying my face with some Fix Plus, and after that, this look is complete. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this look, and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, you guys. Bye.